No, I just.
Whoa.
No, you don't say it.
Gee, I'm surprised. I didn't even know my own strength. This is how I command that you fight in my dojo. A new technique was founded. Lightning arms was the name of the new technique. Mercy, mercy. Learning the rapid arm technique has put me in a new classification as a fighter.
Now, time for a commercial break.